Hello one and all, it's time to share one more video on geometrical progression, and this is the subtopic geometrical mean I am going to discuss through my video. So just see, geometrical mean is symbolized by GMs, geometrical means. First question, one geometric mean between A and B. A and B are two numbers, we have to put one geometric mean. So let G is a geometrical mean between A and B. Then A, G, B are in AP. This is the definition of geometrical mean, that when this is substituted between the two numbers, the geometric progression is formed. Now G by A is equal to B by G, letter by former is equal to letter by former. So cross multiplication gives G square is equal to AB, so G is equal to root AB. On this basis, you can find the questions, the answer of the question, find one GM between 27 and 243. So to find one GM, use this formula. So GM is equal to root over 27 into 243. Now simplify this to get the answer. This is 3 into 3 into 3 into 243. This is 3 into 81, one more 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So in pair, this is for 27 and 27 into 9. But that's all. So this is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 81 answer. So we can use this formula to find one geometric mean. Now 5 geometric means. 5 geometric means between 1 and 64. So let G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 are the 5 geometric means between 1 and 5. 1 and 64. Our numbers are 1 and 64. So 1, G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, 64 are in GP. Now the first term is called A, second is AR, third is AR square, fourth term AR cube, AR4, AR5, AR6. These are the terms of GP. According to question, A is equal to 1 and 64 is equal to AR6. So put the value of A1. So R6 is equal to 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6. So R is equal to 2. By comparison, the indices are same, bases must be equal. So the first G1 is equal to AR. Put the value G2, AR square, G3, AR cube, G4, AR4, and G5, AR5. So this is your G5. This is your G5. So in this way, we can find 5 geometric mean between two numbers. Now our target is to find n geometric mean. I am going to find out n GMs between A and B. This is the theoretical problem. Let G1, G2, G3, Gn are n geometric means between A and B. Now A, G1, G2, G3 and so on, Gn and B. A and B in between n GMs are here, are in GP. Now you know that the first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube. For G3, we are writing R3. Similarly, for Gn, we will write Rn. And after that, one more term will be there. 2 के बाद 3, n के बाद n plus 1. So this is ARn plus 1. Now according to question, we have ARn plus 1 is equal to B. ARn plus 1 is equal to B. So R to the power n plus 1 is equal to B by A, and hence we have got R. R is equal to B by A to to the power 1 by n. So this is the common ratio. After that we can find G1. Now G1 is equal to AR. So A, and put the value of R, B by A to the power 1 by n. N plus 1, sorry. This is n plus 1. When n plus 1 by 1 goes to right side, it becomes 1 by n plus 1. Then G2 is equal to AR. So this is AR square. G2 is AR square. So B by A to the power 1 by n plus 1. And similarly G3 AR3. Copy from here, G3 AR3. So this is A. Put the value of R. B by A to the power 1 by n plus 1. And similarly we can write the other GMs. Lastly Gn is equal to ARn. Gn is equal to ARn. So B by A to the power n by n plus 1. So this is our target, and the target is achieved. B by A to the power n by n plus 1. So n GMs have been successfully inserted between A and B. Now the next question is very important question. Let us see the next question. Find the value of n. Fourth number, find n if an plus 1 plus bn plus 1 by an plus bn is a geometric mean between A and B. We have to find out the value of n. Now this is A to the power n into A, we can write this. B to the power n into B, we can write this. After that n plus bn. And the geometric mean between A and B, I have already told that GM between two numbers A and B is root AB. So this can be written as A half, B half. So this is A to the power 1 by 2. B to the power 1 by 2 by 1. Now we cross multiply both. So in cross multiplication we get n into A plus bn into B is equal to, this will be multiplied with this as well as this. So an A half B half plus bn A half B half. Now this implies the an is transferred to this side and bn is transferred to this side, so that we can take common successfully. So an, and this a can be written as a half to take common, minus when this is brought this side, this term is brought this side, this an into a half is equal to, now move towards this, already bn A half B half, and when this is transferred to this side, this B becomes B half B half, so minus bn into B half B half. So we already know that A is equal to A to the power half, A to the power half. Similarly B is equal to B half B half. So powers are added, so we get again B. Now take common, this is an A half common, so A half minus n common, A half one more is missing, this is B. When this is brought to this side, the whole, this will be also B half. So when A half common, A half minus B half, B to the power half, again Bn common, B half common, so A half minus B half. So this is cancelled. Now this is called an plus 1 by 2 by, and this is brought to denominator, so this is bn plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So this can be written as A by B to the power n plus half, and 1 can be written as A by B to the power 0. A by B, any number to the power 0 you want to set in comparison, So n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 1 by 2. This 1, any number to the power 0 for comparison, AB is equal to AB, so this power must be same, and this gives the value of n. Next question, the sum of two numbers, 6 numbers question. This is 6 number. The sum of two numbers is 6 times the GM. The sum of two numbers is 6 times GM. Six times their geometric means, so that the numbers are in ratio. The numbers are in ratio 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, ratio 3 minus 2 root 2. Now according to question, the sum of two numbers, let A and B are numbers. Let A, B are numbers. So according to question, A plus B is equal to 6 times root AB. The GM between A and B is root AB, I have already told you. Now just write it in this form. So A plus B is equal to 2 multiply 3 root AB. So this is A plus B by 2 root AB is equal to 3 by 1. This 2 root AB is transferred in denominator, 3 by 1 is left. Now there is a componendo dividendo. According to this rule, if A by B is equal to C by D, this implies A plus B by A minus B, C plus D by C minus D. Using componendo dividendo here, we get A plus D plus 2 root AB by A plus B minus 2 root AB, 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So this is 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Now this is a perfect square. We can write it in the form root A whole square plus root B whole square plus 2 root A root B. So this is a perfect square. Again, the denominator is also a perfect square. A square plus this minus 2 root A root B. This is 2 by 1. This implies this is a perfect square. So root A plus root B whole square by root A minus root B whole square is equal to 2 by 1. Now you can take a square root both sides. A square root both sides is taken. So this becomes root A plus root B. Finally, I am going to remove the upper side. So this has to be proved. A by B is equal to this. We have to prove the ratio of the two numbers. So this will cancel this, and hence root A plus root B upon root A minus root B is equal to root 2 by 1. Root 2, 1, the square root of 1 is 1. Now again applying componendo dividendo. Again by componendo dividendo, no need to write this directly. You can write this root A plus root B plus root A minus root B by root A plus root B minus root A minus root B is equal to root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Again, this is cancelled and this is cancelled. So we are left with 2 root A by 2 root B is equal to root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Root 2 cancelled, squaring both sides. So A by B is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 and 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. So this is 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So our problem is done successfully. So the ratio of two numbers is 3 plus 2 root 2 ratio 3 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So this is proved. Hence the ratio of number plus 2 root 2 ratio 3 minus 2 root 2. Now taking another, this is proved. Again taking one more problem, this is 10th number, 10th. If m and gm of two numbers a and b are in m ratio n, if m and gm between two numbers a and b are in m ratio n, so m ratio n, we have to prove that, so that a ratio b is equal to m plus root over m square minus n square ratio m minus. The difficulty level of this question is more, so learn with care. So according to question, m between two number is a plus b by 2. I have already taught you, a plus b by 2. And gm between two number is root ab. Root ab, this is equal to m ratio n. So this implies a plus b by 2 root ab is equal to m by n. So we have got this m by n. After that, squaring both sides. So we are going to square this a plus b by 2 root ab m by n. So squaring we get a square plus 2ab plus b square by, when the square is done, this is 4ab is equal to m square by n square. After that, we use dividendo only, not componendo. What is dividendo? Dividendo is if a by b is equal to c by d, then a by a minus b, c by c minus d. This is called dividendo rule. So I am going to use the dividendo rule for this. So a square plus numerator is as usual 2ab plus b square by a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab is equal to m square as usual, m square minus n square. Because we need m separately and n square minus n square is our need. So if we use componendo also, we get m square plus n square. We are not needing m square plus n square, so componendo is not used. Now this is a plus b whole square by, and after this when simplified 2ab, so this becomes a minus b whole square is equal to m square by m square minus n square. Then take root. Taking root, we get a plus b by n minus b is equal to m by root over m square minus n square. Now again, to get a by b, we use again componendo dividendo. Componendo plus dividendo minus. So we are going to use again componendo and dividendo in this. By componendo dividendo, we get a plus b plus a minus b by a plus b minus a minus b. This is equal to m plus root m square minus n square by m minus. See, our target is achieved. Now we have to simplify. B cancel, a cancel, and hence we are left with 2a by 2b is equal to m plus root over m square minus n square by m minus. So our proof is ready. We have to prove that a ratio b is equal to, hence a ratio b is equal to m plus root m square minus n square ratio. The difficulty level of this question is very high, so always know this. After that, this is all about the syllabus of CBSE, so no need to discuss. Some properties are there, learn the properties. ABC in GP, AK, BK, CK in GP, multiply by K allowed. If we multiply by any number K is not 0 obviously, then still it will be in GP. Division by K, A by K, B by K, C by K is in GP. After that, reciprocal, the reciprocal of A, B, C in GP. The reciprocal, if ABC in GP, the reciprocal is also in GP. Fourth number, the power can be given A to the power K, B to the power K, C to the power K in GP. So these are the four properties. It will help you at the various places. Now, some more thing which is not in your syllabus, it has been deleted this time. So still, if you know, it will be helpful in future. Sigma 1 to n, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1, n times, so this n times, so sigma n, 1 to n, this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n, this is n into n plus 1 by 2. It will help you in future. Sigma n square, 1 to n, this is starting from 1 ending to n square, so 1 square plus 2 square plus n square, this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now sigma n cube, 1 to n, so starting from 1